Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at your Venmo requests. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we have to do is open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you can go to venmo.com, this is the main URL, and after you open it up, it's going to look like this. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and open up the Venmo application after downloading it. So after you have opened it up, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do is log into our account. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register for one by clicking the Get Venmo button right here, or you can go ahead and register on your mobile phone using a phone number and then just continue. So once you have gotten your account, log in, and after logging in, now we can get started. You'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page that's going to greet you after logging in, where as you can see at the bottom of the screen, you can find all the sections that we can access, such as home, cards, me section, and so on. And now we can do so and find all our requests. So how do we find our requests? As you can see right here on the official article, how to see pending Venmo requests, we have the instructions on what to do. So basically guys, what we want to do is click on our profile and then scroll down, and then you'll see an icon where you can select from pending payments or requests. So where is your profile? Well, your profile is this right here, your me section right here in the bottom right corner. This is what you want to open up by tapping on it. So tap on your me section, and after opening it up, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your profile where you can take a look at all your info, you can scroll down and so on. And basically by scrolling down, you can find all the requests for payment on your Venmo. So if somebody requested money from you, you will be able to see it right here in your profile, and then you can decide if you want to pay them or not, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.